of the important things to putting handlebar risers on or rechanging the position is to make sure that you have the proper cable lengths slack in your throttle cable and your brake cables. What happens is if you're not paying attention and you raise your handlebars or reposition them, the throttle cable can go tight, and when you turn the handlebars, it'll actually pull on the throttle cable itself and raise the RPM of the motor. Also, on the clutch cable, you want to make sure you have plenty of slack there as well, because if you turn the handlebar right or left, it can disengage your clutch. So there are some cautionary things you want to make sure you remember. We're just going to lay those on the tank.
All right.
We're going to grab the new risers.
You got it back here.
Yep.
All right.
And we'll put that cap right back on there again. Let's grab the cap there.
Okay.
And we'll put those bolts right back in place. And we'll just kind of snug them up a little bit, leaving some room.
Okay.
We'll just take both these risers. We'll grab the other one from behind you there, and we'll just slide that right in, like so.
I'll let you do
slide,
that.
Slide that one right in like so, and then you'll go ahead and snug those up. Okay, that's good there. And this one up on top here.
Is there a reason for you doing it that way?
Yeah, because we wanted to kind of rock the cap forward so that when we get to the repositioning our risers, all we've got to do is snug the back ones.
There we go.
And we're good to go.
All these little tricks make a big difference.
They do make a big difference. Now we're going to take the caps off the tops.
Now, they got the inserts in here.
Yep, the inserts are in this one because these OEM bars are 7/8 diameter bars. So we can universally use this one riser to fit bikes that have both on it.
All right.
Okay, move that up to the top. Now we're going to put those caps back on again. Now what we'll do is we'll snug these up. We've already went through and we've clipped our zip strips to give ourselves a lot of slack. You know, you're going to be able to position them.
Oh, I like this, yeah.
Right where you want. You'll notice that they move forward or backwards.
Yeah, I like it about right there.
Yep,
Perfect.
okay. Then we're going to snug them up. So now the bars are up higher, so you're not reaching down so low. A guy of your height can be a lot more comfortable riding.
Everything's all set.
It looks great, works great, make a big difference in riding down the road.